Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO team for Lemon. Today we will learn how to scrap the reviews from TrustPilot using Python code. For this purpose, I am using collab.research.google.com to run the Python code smoothly. And you can find this code in the description of this YouTube video. So in my case, I want to scrap the reviews from per lemon. For example, type here the company name and scroll the bottom of the page. Okay, copy the second page URL, run the code, remove the number 2 and hit the enter button. Here you can see it's fetching all reviews from the pages. So now you can copy and paste into the Google Sheet or Excel. Tap the like button if you want more videos like this. Thank you.